What is the sum of the solutions? Sorry, let me underline this stuff. Okay, to the equation shown above. Alright, so first things first, let's distribute this 4x. So we have 4x squared minus 8x, and now we have minus 5, and that equals 7. So we want to set this equal to 0 so that we can factor whatever we get out and then solve for 0. You can't do this with a constant other than 0, like when it's equal to a constant other than 0. So we're just going to subtract 7 right here, so then we get 4x squared minus 8x minus 12 equals 0, and now we can factor this. So let's just try 4x and x. So let's look at the factors. We know that we want our two last to multiply be 12, so let's look at the factors of 12. We have 1, 12, 2, and 3. So then we want these to also add up to -8, so we also know that one of these is going to be negative and one of these is going to be positive. We don't know which one yet though, so this is just simple factoring. You should know this from algebra. Alright, so now we're going to see which of these values would add to -8. So let's think, we have 2 and 3. If we did that, then we would have to do like -3 plus 2 or plus 3 minus 2 minus 2 or minus 3 or plus 3 plus 2, whatever, but it wouldn't work either way. We know that, or we should know that -8 would be like 12 minus 4, and we're working with 12 here. We have a 4 here, so what we're going to do is we want -8, so we're going to have 4 times positive 1, and we're going to do -12, and just to prove this, I'll factor this out. So then we have 4x squared plus 4x minus 12x, so minus 8x, and then minus 12, and that matches that. So now we can set this equal to 0, and we can isolate these. We can say 4x minus 12 equals 0 and x plus 1 equals 0, because if either of these equals 0, then the other whatever, like say that x plus 1 was equal to 0, well, whatever this one would be, we would say, let's just say it would be question mark. So when we multiply that, we would get 0, because we'd be multiplying a constant by 0. Hopefully that makes sense. So now that we do that, we can easily solve for this. We have 4x equals positive 12, so x equals 3 is one of our solutions, and we have x equals -1 as another solution. So we want the sum of these solutions, so we have 3 minus 1, and that equals 2.